In 1969, the Supreme Court unanimously threw out a 30-year prison sentence because the law used to impose it required the defendant to incriminate himself just to legally exist. The man was Timothy Leary, psychologist, counterculture icon, and at that moment, a federal defendant. In 1965, Leary was stopped at the Texas-Mexico border. Border agents found marijuana on him and his daughter. He was charged under the Marihuana Tax Act of 1937, the federal law that had governed marijuana possession for nearly 3 decades. Here is where it gets legally indefensible. The act required anyone possessing marijuana to register with the federal government and pay a tax. But marijuana was also illegal under state law. So to comply with federal law, you had to confess to a state crime. The Fifth Amendment says you cannot be compelled to incriminate yourself. The Supreme Court, all 9 justices, agreed. Leary's conviction was vacated. His 30-year sentence, gone. And the Marijuana Tax Act, the cornerstone of federal marijuana enforcement since the New Deal era, was effectively dead. Congress replaced it 3 years later with the Controlled Substances Act, which still governs federal drug policy today. One border stop, one constitutional flaw, and the entire legal framework for marijuana enforcement collapsed. Follow for cases they never taught you.